Hello there and welcome to the channel. Today we will be doing a beginner-friendly progressive muscle relaxation guide to help you through the process. Begin by finding a quiet and comfortable place to sit or lie down. Close your eyes and take a few slow, deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, curl your toes tightly, holding for a few seconds. Now, release the tension, feeling your toes and feet relax completely. Inhale deeply, then as you exhale, point your toes gently upward, tensing your calf muscles. Hold for a moment, and then release, letting go of all tension. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, tighten the muscles in your thighs by pressing your knees together. Hold, and then release, feeling your thigh muscles becoming loose and relaxed. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, squeeze your buttocks together. Hold, and then release, allowing your hips and buttocks to soften. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, gently tense your abdominal muscles by pulling your belly button in towards your spine. Hold, and then release, feeling your abdomen becoming soft and relaxed. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, gently arch your back and puff out your chest. Hold, and then release, feeling your chest and upper back melt into relaxation. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, raise your shoulders up towards your ears. Hold, and then release, letting your shoulders drop and your neck relax. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, make a fist with your hands, tensing your forearm muscles. Hold, and then release, letting go of all tension in your arms and hands. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, gently tilt your head forward, chin to chest. Hold, and then release, allowing your neck to lengthen and relax. Finally, inhale deeply, and as you exhale, scrunch up your face, squeezing your eyes shut and clenching your jaw. Hold, and then release, feeling your facial muscles soften and your jaw loosen. Take a few moments to simply breathe and enjoy the sensation of relaxation flowing through your body. If you notice any lingering areas of tension, you can repeat the process for those specific muscle groups. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and take a moment to savor the sense of calm and relaxation you've cultivated. Remember, the more you practice this exercise, the better you'll become at recognizing and releasing tension in your body. This is now the end of the Progressive Muscle Relaxation Guide. Feel free to repeat the video if you would like. Please like the video, leave me a comment and subscribe for more.